search for literary criticism in EBSCOHost, visit Mrs. Bond's website by clicking Select a School, Boiling Springs High School. Under For Students, click Library. And on the left side of Mrs. Bond's website, click Databases. Then log in to EBSCOHost with the username and password you were provided with in class. Click on High School Search for Power Library. Then click Advanced Search. I recommend searching for your author's name and literary criticism. Click Search. Make sure full text is selected, and then you can search the various sources that are provided. In some cases, they will be full ebooks, while in others, they will look like an article. Scroll through the results to see if any seem relevant. Let's look at this one together. Your citation information, including the title and publication information, is found on the left side. You can search the various contents and chapters in this book to see if there's anything relevant to the research that you're conducting. Clicking on the scarlet letter will take us to the specific chapter that discusses information relevant to the novel. Clicking the Cite button does not usually provide an accurate citation, so be sure to check the citation provided against Mrs. Bond's website with the MLA Research Guide. In this case, EBSCOHost is not the online database you searched. If you have any questions, please ask Mrs. Bond for help.